Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. So if you can see right here, yes, that is my silver play button. So once again, thank you so much for subscribing, and let's keep on going and let's get to the gold one. So this look here is today's tutorial. We went for a warm, smoky eye, some nice glowy skin. So if you want to see the whole look come together, please keep watching. So I'm going to add just a little glow to my skin. I'm going to use the YSL Instant Moisture Glow. And I'm going to mix some of the liquid glow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Perla. So I'm just going to mix these on my hand. There is a slight little glow in this, it's just not enough. So I'm just going to take some of this Smashbox Primer Water and just spray a little bit of this all over. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD Stick. This is in the shade Y245. This brush I used is a brush from Tarte's Holiday Collection. And now to conceal and highlight, I'm going to use Shape Tape. This is the colour Light. This brush is another Tarte brush, but they never have names on them. So if I never mention a name or number of a brush, it's because there is none on it. So I'm taking the Peach Perfect powder from Too Faced, and I'm just going to set my T-zone with this. This brush I'm using to set is a Calenberry brush number 16. Taking the Smashbox contour stick, I'm just going to mark out my contour. And blend this out with a Morphe Y10. And now just to set my cream contour and bronze a little bit more, I'm going to use the Take Me Home bronze from the BAM. This is in the shade Oscar. And we're just going to bronze. Speaking of Oscars, who watched the Oscars last night? Well, it was last night. It won't be last night when this gets uploaded, but I had it recorded, but I only had it recorded for the 3 hours that it was on, and it obviously went over the time, and I missed like all the good parts. Like I missed like Best Actress, Best Actor, Best Movie. Like I actually missed all the good shit. I sat through the shit that no one really cares about. And yeah, missed it all. Before I forget, this brush I use for my bronzer and contour is a Morphe M405. So I'm just going to take some of the Benefit Stay Don't Stray Eye Base. Let's put this all over. I'm going to use the Morphe 24G palette, which is this one here. For my transition shade, the colour I'm going to put in the crease, I'm going to mix this and just like a little bit of this just to lighten the colour just a little bit. Oh, the names are Frenchie with a little bit of creamer. I forgot, I stuck the names here, so I will remember the names. And then just work this into the crease. So I didn't actually set my eye base today, just to kind of see how the pigments and the shadows would grab more, and I'm kind of preferring it this way. Like I feel like when you don't set the base, it intensifies the shadow a bit more, so it's actually working out. I'm going to try a little bit of this shade here. It's the colour Brassy, just to see what happens. So the first brush I used was a Makeup Addiction's tapered blender brush, and the next brush I'm going in with is a blank canvas E42 brush. I'm just focusing this again into the crease. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade, it's called Brew. So just bit by bit, I'm just going to start applying this colour on the lid. And then just start to blend it into the next colour. That's why you don't want to go with too much brown on the lid, because when you blend it out, it's going to kind of take away from your other colours. I'm going to take just a little bit of Brassy, which is the second shade we used, and just go into the crease with this because I don't want to lose this shade. I like how it looks. I'm just going to take this pencil from Urban Decay. It's called Anatomy. And I'm just going to go right along the lash line with this. Just with a small brush. This is a BH Cosmetics number 7. I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to blend that out with the shade Frenchie, which is the mustard shade. Then I'm going to take some of the shade Blacker from Marc Jacobs and I'm going to put this in my waterline. I'm just going to use some of the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. The lashes I'm using today are Iris Beauty, I think that's how it's pronounced. And these are in the style Athena. Now that we're finished eyes, I'm going back to the face. So I'm going to bronze again because I'm just not bronzed enough. So I'm just adding some of the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. So the number on this one wore off. So I don't know the exact shade. But from what I can remember, I think it has like an I in the name. Like a letter I. It may be the second lightest one. Can't remember though. So I'm sorry. Then I'm going to take some Style Blush from MAC. For my highlight, I'm using the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight, which I am living for right now. So for my lips, I'm going to use this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Stay Neutral. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn the bell on so you know when I upload, which will be Wednesdays and Sundays. Apologies for last Sunday not uploading because I just hated the video and I don't want to put something out there that I'm just like, ooh, I just didn't like it and I didn't have a backup video. So apologies for that, but from now on it's going to be Wednesdays and Sundays I will be uploading. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.